So today we're going to be deadheading our hosta plant. Now hostas are a great plant for the shade or part shade areas in your garden, and they grow these tall spikes of flowers that can be white or purple or sometimes blue and somewhere in between. Now some gardeners don't actually prefer the flowers on the plant, and so for those gardeners you can cut the flower stalks off as they start to peek through the plant right down to the base of the plant, and that'll stop the flowers from blooming. Now, I would hesitate myself to do that because I like to attract pollinators to my garden. So if you're trying to get the bees and the butterflies, hummingbirds, etc. into your garden, I would leave the flowers on because that's what they attract. So we have here our flower stalks that have faded. Now, if you leave them be, they will focus their energy on creating seed, and I don't need to do that. I'm not planning on growing hostas from seed. They grow quite well on their own, and they tend to need division after a few years because they do get quite large. So I'm going to cut off all the flower stalks. I'm going to follow the stalk right down to the base and then snip them off with my scissors. And I'm going to stop here so that I can give you a close-up while I do that. Okay, so we're just going to follow the bloom stalk right down to the base. So I'm going to take my scissors down here, reach deep down, and just go really as far as I can go, but not worry too much if I don't get right down to the very ground. And there you have it. So that's one of the bloom stalks there. We're just going to do a couple more as well. Go, reach down as far as I can go, and easy little snip. One more. There we go. So as you can see, deadheading hostas is nice and quick and simple. I've deadheaded this hosta here. I've also cleaned up some of the leaves from the petals that had fallen and dried on the leaves and snipped off any of the ratty leaves as well. So you can see the before behind me and the after here. This looks much nicer and tidier for this year. And then this plant is now able to focus its energy on creating a happier and healthier plant next year rather than focusing its energy on creating seed. And so I have all my bloom stalks here, and what I'm actually going to do is bend these up and stick them in and amongst the mulch within the plant just to help add some more organic matter back into the mulch so that there's more nutrients for this plant to absorb as it goes through its season and into the spring. So hopefully this tip helped you out. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much.